It does make me laugh when people say the planet is in peril, you know, nature is doomed, etc. Buy a piece of land in the countryside, a big piece of land, and try your best to stay on top of it. Nature is a force of nature. That's why that expression exists. Life is abundant, and good luck trying to stop it. Burning fossil fuels, burning hydrocarbons, burning wood. It's just, you know, get a grip, get some perspective. Life is abundant. Just yeah. Try and grow some vegetables and see how quickly they get eaten by rabbits and slugs. Good luck trying to adjust the temperature of the planet. It's a fool's errand. Anyway, this is, I'm going to give this a sweep so you can see it. Be uncovered. It's a nice little patio, and I'll probably stick them across, but I don't know, we'll see. It'd be nice to have them on the stone, but maybe I'll have to go off the edges as well. Anyway, we'll see. So with the help of my trusty yard brush, there you go. What's that? 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 by 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feet by 12 feet, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yeah, that's good. The plants will find a way to go in the cracks and start growing. And this edge has gone out beyond its allocated space. So yeah, I need to cut that back. But at least I've got somewhere now I can park the mower that's not grass. I don't suppose you could fit a car on here, it's not quite big enough for that. And yeah, it's funny, I'm guessing this was originally laid flush with the soil. And you know, this is how soil is made. Stuff falls from the trees, it rots, the worms have a go, you know, it turns into soil. And then plants grow in that, and they create soil, and then plants grow in that, and yeah, nature finds a way. So it doesn't matter if you've got, I wonder what lives in that little hole, a little mouse or something. It doesn't matter what you build, eventually the soil will build up and then things will start growing on it. So what's the width of a pallet? Am I going to fit 2 pallets worth? Let's go and measure them. Just around here. I'm going to fit 2 pallets worth on there. Here they are. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about 8 feet. It doesn't give me much. It doesn't give me that much. I suppose I could stick it on the end, couldn't I? With 2 feet, 1 for either side. Stick it on the. Otherwise, I can't get the tractor in and out, or the mower in and out. So I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just clear a little bit there, clear a little bit there. Still not ideal, is it? It's not going to sit here, is it? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean, if it went up to there, I suppose I could still sneak the mower in, but it's not ideal. Oh, what to do? What to do? I have to have a think about it. Anyway, it's looking much better. Nice to replace that shed with something new.